निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। How many Hetwabhasas are there? Five are there. What are they? सव्यभिचारी, विरुद्ध, सत्प्रतिपक्ष, असिद्ध, बाधित. In this, savyabhichari is 3 types. Asiddha is 3 types. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 and 1, 9. Right? Total 9 are there. 3 vyabhicharis. Sadharana. Actually, like today also in our Advaita Siddhi class, there was some anumanam. Okay. Asadharana, Anaikantika and Anupasamhari, they sound the same. There is not much difference. So, but we don't worry about it, whether it is Asadharana, Anupasamhari, or as long as we understand. Bas. These are all vyabhichari. But in Asiddha it is not like that. In Asiddha there is variety. Okay. What is the difference between Viruddha and Satpratipaksha? Viruddha has one hetu. Satpratipaksha 2 hetus. This is the main thing you have to remember. In Viruddha, same hetu will prove sadhya bhava. Whatever is your sadhya, that hetu is actually proving sadhya bhava. In Satpratipaksha, one hetu is proving sadhya, another hetu is proving sadhya bhava. That is the difference between Viruddha and Satpratipaksha. Ashraya Siddhi is, Asiddha is 3 types. See, Asiddha is Ashraya Asiddha, Swarupa Siddha, Vyapyatva Asiddha. And there where this hetu is, then the Asiddhi will be Ashraya Siddhi, Vyapyatva, Swarupa Siddhi, Vyapyatva Siddhi. Just like Vyabhichara and Vyabhichari. There where this Vyabhichara is, that hetu will be called Vyabhichari. There where the Vyabhichara is, hetu will be Vyabhichari. Okay, now we are going to see Padakritya. Page number 76. Asiddham vibhajate.
Asiddham vibhajate. Asiddha iti ashraya siddhanyatamah asiddhatva.
Read that line again.
Ashraya siddhanyatamah.
Siddha, not Siddha. No. I don't know which book you have. If you have the same font, same print that I have, आश्रया सिद्ध्याद्यन्यतमत्वम असिद्धत्वम. Read that again. Or you have different reading.
This Ashraya Siddhanyatama.
अच्छा, आश्रया सिद्धा अन्यतमत्वम. Okay. Okay. My reading is आश्रया सिद्ध्याद्यन्यतमत्वम असिद्धत्वम. आश्रया सिद्धि आदि अन्यतमत्वम. अन्यतमत्वम means what is अन्यतमत्वम? One of the many. Anyatama means one among the many. It's called Anyatama. No, Anyatara is one of the two. Anyatama is one of many. So there are three here. Ashraya Siddhi Adi. Ashraya Siddhi. Ashraya Siddhi. Ashraya Siddhi. Oh, that's why they have given. I think your reading is Ashraya Siddha, because this will become Siddhi. Ashraya Siddhi Adi Anyatamatvam. So there where Ashraya Siddhi is there, that hetu will become Ashraya Siddha. There where Swarupa Siddhi is there, that hetu will become Swarupa Siddha. There where Vyapyatva Siddhi is there, it will become Vyapyatva Siddhatvam. Asiddhatvam. So that is, all of them will have Asiddhatvam. They are all Asiddha hetu. Read further. Next, Ashraya Siddhatvam cha is there or not?
That belongs to the next part.
No, you read Ashraya Siddhatvam.
Sorry, Swamiji, this is hard.
It's not there in your book?
The page got frozen, Swamiji. It will take 1 minute to erase.
Okay.
आश्रया सिद्धत्वं च पक्षता अवच्छेदक अभाववत् पक्षकत्वम्.
आश्रया सिद्धत्वं च पक्षतावच्छेदका भाववत् पक्षकत्वम्. What is Ashraya Siddhatvam? Definite Lakshana is given. Pakshata avachedaka abhavavat. There where Pakshata avachedaka abhav is there. Pakshata avachedaka abhavavat. Abhavavala. Pakshakatvam. Paksha which does not have Pakshata avachedakatva. Pakshata avachedaka abhavavat pakshakatvam is called Ashraya Siddha. Ashraya Siddha. Pakshata avachedaka means, see, Parvato Vanniman. What is Paksha? Parvata. Pakshata avachedaka will be what? Parvatatva. Parvatatva is called Pakshata avachedaka. Ghato mithya drishyatvat rajju sarpavat. Ghata is Paksha. Pakshata avachedaka is Ghatatva. Ghatatva is Pakshata avachedaka. Now you have to imagine that which has Pakshata avachedaka abhava. A thing which does not have Pakshata avachedaka itself. पक्षता अवच्छेदक अभाववत् पक्षकत्वम आश्रया सिद्धत्वम. So that which does not have pakshata avachedaka, it is ashraya siddhi. Everybody understood this line? He explains in the drishtanta, but first lakshana should be spashtam. Pakshata avachedaka bhavavatvam, pakshata avachedaka bhavavat pakshakatvam ashraya siddhatvam. Read further.
भवति हि अरविन्दत्वे गगनीयत्वरूपपक्षतावच् अरविन्दरूपपक्षे गगनीयत्वविरहात्.
भवति हि अरविन्दत्वे गगनीयत्व रूप पक्षता अवच्छेदका भाववत् पक्षकत्वम्. अरविन्दत्वे गगनीयत्व रूप पक्षता अवच्छेदका अभाववत् पक्षकत्वम् भवति हि. When you say Arvind, what is the anumanam for ashraya siddhi? What is the anumanam? No, anumanam only, not vyapti. Gaganarvindam surabhi. So Gaganarvindam is what we want. So if you just say Aravinda, what is the Pakshata Avachedaka means? Which Arvinda you are talking about? Gaganarvinda. So Gaganarvindatvam. Okay. So Bhavati hi Aravindatve, in that there where Aravindatva is there. See, Drishtanta. Ayam pataha, pitaha pataha. अयम पटः रक्तः पटः. ठीक है. पटत्व इज इन बोथ ऑफ देम. पटत्व इज समानम इन बोथ, बट इन दिस पटत्व इज ऑल्सो देयर, रक्तत्व इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो इफ आई से ब्रिंग पटम anaya, which pata you have to bring? So you will look at me. Patatva avachedaka kim prakarakam. So I will say rakta prakaraka patatva avachedaka. So that means there where raktatva is also there. Rakta patatva is what I want as pakshata avachedaka. Rakta patatva pakshata avachedakatvam, or padartha avachedaka, whatever that object is. And in this one it will be pita patatva. So pitatva and patatva will be samanadhikarana. So here that which has arvindatva, but that which also has gaganiyatva. Arvindatve gaganiyatva rupa pakshata avachedaka abhava. Arvinda is there, but Arvinda can be there in lake, in water. But Gaganiyatva is not there in that Arvindatva. So Arvindatve Gaganiyatva Rupa Pakshana Avachedaka Abhavavat Pakshakatvam Arvinda Rupa Pakshe Gaganiyatva Virahat. In this Arvinda Rupa Paksha, Gaganarvinda, that Gagana Visheshana is absent. And therefore such Gaganarvinda, what is the Visheshana in this? Gagana is Visheshana. And Arvinda is Visheshya. Arvinda is Visheshya. So, Abhava, First you understand Drishtanta. We have seen, I think, this before. Dandi Purusha. If I say in the room there is one Dandi Purusha. Dandi Purusho, Dandi Purusha Koshthe Asti. In the room, Dandi Purusha is there. If Purusha is not there and only Danda is there, then Dandi Purusha Abhava is there or not?
Yes.
If Dandi Purusha Danda is there, Purusha is not there, then Dandi Purusha Abhava is there or not?
Is there?
Everybody understood what is the question?
Yes.
So Dandi Purusha Abhava is there. This Abhava, what it will be called? Have we seen this before? This is called Vishesha Abhava Prayukta Vishishta Abhava. Vishesha Abhava Prayukta Vishishta Abhava. Means Vishesha is not there, Purusha is not there, Danda is there, but Purusha is not there. Then it will be Vishishta Abhava. Dandi Purusha is not there. Why Dandi Purusha is not there? Because Purusha is not there. Danda is there. It will be called Vishesha Bhava Prayukta Vishishta Bhava. Now let us say Purusha is there. Danda is not there. Then Dandi Purusha is there?
No sense.
No, Dandi Purusha is not there. Why? Because Danda is not there. Purusha is there. Without Danda, Purusha cannot be called Dandi Purusha. So that abhava will be Visheshana Bhava Prayukta Vishishta Bhava. What will be? Visheshana Bhava Prayukta Vishishta Bhava. You have to remember this. This you have to know. First one was Vishesha Bhava Prayukta Vishishta Bhava. Means Vishishta Bhava can be if Visheshana is not there, if Vishesha is not there, or what is the third possibility?
Visheshana Vishesha.
Huh?
Both are not there. Visheshana Vishesha both are not.
Both are not there. So what will be called? What will you call it in Sanskrit? Kim prakarako vishishta bhavaha?
विशिष्ट विशेषण विशेष्य विशेषण का
You have to use some Sanskrit words. Ubhaya bhava vishishta. Ubhaya bhava vishishta abhava. So, Visheshana bhava prayukta, Vishesha bhava prayukta, Ubhaya bhava prayukta, Vishishta bhava. Those who have studied logic, they will know these things. See, it is like this. If two people are there, both of them, only when they are there, then they will be given money. Two signatures are required, let us say. If one signature is not there, money cannot be given. If other signature is not there, money will not be given. If both signatures are not there, definitely money will not be given. So like that here also. Like in logic circuit, they used to give these examples, When A is not, it will not work. When B is not, it will not work. When both of them are not, it will not work. Means it will work only when both are present in this way. So this we have to remember because these things will keep coming. Visheshana bhava prayukta vishishta bhava, visheshya bhava prayukta vishishta bhava, ubhaya bhava prayukta vishishta bhava. In Gaganarvinda now, Gagana is possible, Arvinda is possible, but Gaganarvinda is not available. Okay, so here Vishishta abhava is there. This is not because of one of the abhava. Gagana Arvinda, Gagani Arvinda is not there. So that is what here he gives in this way. Arvinda Rupa Pakshe, Gaganiyatva Viraha means Visheshana Bhav Prayukta Vishishta Bhav is there. Why Gaganiya Arvinda is not there? Because Gagana Visheshan Wala Arvinda is not present. Saroja Arvinda is there. Arvinda in lake is available.
ननु किम अरविंदे गगनीयत्व विरहो अत आह अत्र इति.
Read again.
ननु किम अरविंदे
No, Kim. Wait. Nanu, what is the next word? Kim. Okay. In our book it is Katham. Kim Arvinde or Katham Arvinde Gaganiyatva Viraho Ataha. Means why do you say in Arvinda Gaganiyatva is not there? Viraha means absence. Why there is absence of Gaganiyatva in Arvinda? Aha. Atra in Moolam. Atra Gaganarvindam Ashraya sa nasti eva. Gaganarvinda is Ashraya. That Ashraya itself is not there. Complete that part.
उपदर्शित अनुमान इत्यर्थः.
How will you do Sandhi Vichcheda?
उपदर्शित अनुमान इत्यर्थः.
Correct. Finally, this is clear. Whenever they say atra means something has to be there in Saptami. Kutra upadarshita anumane. In this anumanam, which is given as the example in that. Sa nasti eva. Now, Swarupa Siddhi.
पदकृत्या शैली
जी.
पक्षे हेत्वा भाव स्वरूपा सिद्धि.
This is the definition. Pakshe hetva bhavaha swarupa siddhi. This we have to know. This we have to memorize. Pakshe hetva bhava. Very simple definition. In paksha, if hetu is not there, then it is called swarupa siddhi. Like that parvata where you want to prove Vanni, Dhuma itself is not there. Without Dhuma, you cannot prove Vanni in that parvata. Here the Drishtanta is given in the Moolam. Yat Shabdo Gunaha Chakshushatvat. Drishtanta is what? Shabdo Gunaha Chakshushatvat. So Shabda Guna, if you want to prove, you cannot prove it by using Chakshushatva. Why? Because Chakshushatva is not there in Shabda. Clear? Chakshushatva is not there in Shabda. Then what is there in Shabda? Shravanatva. Shravanatvat, it is given there in the Moolam. Read further.
सिद्धे स्वाभाविक अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय पक्षे.
What is given in your book?
शब्दो अनित्य शब्दो नित्य
शब्दों वेल शब्दों नित्य है इट इज ऑल्सो ओके because what we want to prove is in paksha hetu is not there. Whatever sadhya you give, it is okay. So in some book, if it is given some other sadhya, main thing is in shabda chakshu sattva is not there. That's all. Whether it is gunaha or nitya or anitya doesn't matter. Next line was siddhe tu. Read that again.
सिद्धे तु अभावे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय पक्षे इति।
सिद्धे तु अभावे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय.
I think it's sadhe.
You have some other reading?
In this book it is sadhe to abhave ativyaप्ति varana.
Say that again.
sadhe to abhave ativyaप्ति varana.
अच्छा सिद्धे तु हेतु अभावे.
Not sadhe to abhave.
What did you say?
सद हेतु अभावे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय.
सद हेतु अभावे. Instead of सिद्धे तु अभावे सद हेतु अभावे. That is given, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
This is also good reading. Sad hetu. It is not printing mistake. Sad hetu अभावे. सिद्धे तु अभावे और सद हेतु अभावे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय. If the lakshana was given hetu abhava swarupa siddhi. If hetu abhava is there, swarupa siddhi. So sad hetu also, if let us say somebody doesn't give. So just because hetu is not given, therefore it is not swarupa siddhi. See, हेतु अभाव इज नॉट स्वरूपा सिद्धि. पक्षे हेतु अभाव इज स्वरूपा. दैट्स व्हाई इज सिद्धे तु अभावे. अभाव मे बी देयर बट इट इज नॉट स्वरूपा सिद्धि दोष इफ हेतु अभाव इज देयर. इन पक्ष हेतु शुड हेतु अभाव इज देयर. सो इफ समबडी सेज पर्वतो वन्यमान, because there is no dhuma in hridaya. So dhumatva abhav is there in hridaya. That is not swarupa siddhi. Dhumatva abhav should be there in paksha. Then only it is swarupa siddhi. That's what it is given. Siddhetu abhave or sad hetu. Sad hetu abhave ativya. If it is sad hetu, then it is not going to be hetva bhasa. Ativyapti varanaya paksha iti. Okay. From Ghatadi. You have the book? Can you read?
Swamiji, no book.
You don't have book? Okay, then you have to ask. I will send you the PDF.
घटादि अभाव वारणाय हेतु इति.
घटादि अभाव वारणाय हेतु. So if hetu is not given, then what will be the lakshana?
पक्षे अभावः स्वरूपा सिद्धिः.
Correct. Pakshe abhavah swarupa siddhi. If this lakshana is given, then what will happen? Pakshe abhava. So paksha is parvata. Parvate ghata abhava is there. So parvate ghata abhava is not swarupa siddhi. Why? because Ghata is not our Hetu. So Ghatadi Abhava Varanaya Hetu Abhava. Hetu Padam is required. Read further.
सोऽयं स्वरूपा सिद्धः शुद्धा सिद्धभागा शुद्धा सिद्धभागा सिद्ध विशेषण असिद्ध विशेष्य असिद्ध भेदेन चतुर्विधः
सोयम स्वरूपा सिद्ध शुद्धा सिद्ध भागा सिद्ध विशेषणा सिद्ध विशेष्या सिद्ध भेदेन चतुर्विधः. So Swarupa Siddha is of 4 types now. I knew it. They always say there is only one, then they make it 3, then they make 4 out of 1. So Swarupa Siddha is 4 types. What are they? Shuddha Siddha, Bhaga Siddha, Visheshana Siddha, Visheshya Siddha. So now he is going to explain each. Chaturvidaha. Swarupa Siddha is Chaturvidaha. Tatra Adyastu Upadarshita eva. First one is Upadarshita. Upadarshita means it's already shown. Shuddha Siddha is already explained. Whatever is the definition and that example that is given, Paksha Hetu Abhava Sarupa Siddhi. This Lakshana is true for all. But this Shabdo Gunaha Chakshushatvat or Shabdo Anitya Chakshushatvat, that is the example for Shuddha Siddha. So, Adyaha tu Upadarshita. Drashtanta is already given. Now Dvitiyaha.
द्वितीयो यथा उद्भूतरूपादिचतुष्टयं गुणः रूपत्वाद्यत्र रूपत्वहेतोः पक्षैकदेशावृत्तित्वेन तस्य भागे स्वरूपा सिद्धत्वम्.
Dvitiya means the second one. Yatha udbhuta रूपादि चतुष्टयम गुणः रूपत्वात्. This is अनुमानम. Paksha is udbhuta रूपादि चतुष्टयम. This is the paksha. Gunaha is sadhya. Rupatvat is the hetu. Iti atra, in this anumanam. Now this anumanam has some defect. Dosha is there. That's why this hetu is called hetuabhasa. And which we are going to show here, which kind of hetuabhasa?
Asiddha.
Asiddha. In asiddha, what kind?
Swarupa Siddha.
Swarupa siddha. In Swarupa siddha, what kind? Bhaga siddha. In this way, so you have to know how we have come. Asiddha hetu. Hetuabhasa. Asiddha means Swarupa siddha. Swarupa siddha, they are subtypes. Bhaga siddha. रूपत्वाद इति अत्र रूपत्व हेतोः पक्षैक देशावृत्तित्वेन तस्य भागे स्वरूपा सिद्धत्वम्. देयर इज पक्षैक देशावृत्तित्वम्. In ekadesha of paksha, hetu is there, and in ekadesha of paksha, hetu is not there. Means in the entire paksha, hetu is not there, only in some part. How? You see, udbhuta rupadi chatushtayam. Udbhuta means expressing, expressed. Rupadi chatushtayam. Rupadi chatushtayam means what all things are there? Rupadi chatushtayam means rupa, rasa, gandha,
स्पर्श
not shabda.
स्पर्श
No.
Shabda will not be there. So rupa rasa gandha sparsha. In them, rupatva hetu will be where? In which one of these will have rupatva?
in रूपा only.
Only rupa. So that is, you see the line now. Iti atra rupatva hetoho pakshayika desha avrittitvena. So in paksha, one part of paksha has rupatva, and the other part of paksha, the other three, in rasa, gandha, sparsha, rupatva is not there. Pakshayika desha vrittitvena tasya bhage swarupa siddhatva. In one part there is swarupa siddhatva. Bhage swarupa siddhi. Bhage means pakshayika desha, in one part. In ekadesha of paksha, there is swarupa siddhi. That's why it is called bhaga siddhi, because in one bhaga, in ekapaksha, it is not there.
तृतीयो यथा वायुः प्रत्यक्षः रूपत्वे सति
रूपवत्वे सति.
स्पर्शत्वात् इत्यत्र
रूपवत्.
रूपवत्वे सति स्पर्शवत्वात् इत्यत्र रूपवत्वविशेषणस्य वायावृत्तेः तद् विशिष्टः स्पर्शवत्वस्य अपि तदत्वेन तस्य स्वरूपासिद्धं निर्वहति
Wait.
विशेषण.
Again, I will read, you pay attention. Vayuhu pratyakshaha rupavatve sati. So now this is the anumanam. Vayuhu is paksha. Pratyakshaha is sadhya. Vayuhu pratyakshaha. Now hetu is to be given. Rupavatve sati sparshavatvat. In this anumanam ityatra rupavatva visheshanasya. And then after that what is written? Read.
वायाववृत्तेः.
वृत्तेः. अच्छा. In our book it is वायावभावः. वायावभावः और वायाववृत्तेः. What is the meaning of वायाववृत्तेः?
वायौ
अवृत्तेः.
भावः
और वायव अभाव. इन वायु देर इज अभाव. तद विशिष्ट, नॉट विशिष्ट, देर इज नो विसर्ग. तद विशिष्ट स्पर्शवत्वस्यापि तथात्वेन तस्य स्वरूपासिद्धत्वं निर्वहति. निर्वहनम हैपन्स. निर्वहति. सो वायौ अभाव और अवृत्ति. इन वायु देर इज अभाव और अवृत्ति. अभाव ऑफ व्हाट? रूपवत्व विशेषणस्य अभाव. रूपवत्व विशेषण इज नॉट देयर इन वायु, बिकॉज वायौ रूपम नास्ति. इन वायु देर इज नो रूप. सो रूपवत्व विशेषण इज नॉट देयर. यू गेव द हेतु रूपवत्वे सति स्पर्शवत्वात्. पक्ष इज वायु. हेतु इज रूपवत्वे सति स्पर्शवत्वात्. करेक्ट. रूपवत्व, दिस विशेषण इज देयर इन वायु और नॉट? इज नॉट देयर. देयरफॉर एंटायर हेतु विशेषणाभाव प्रयुक्त विशिष्टाभाव. Visheshana prayukta. So whenever I explain something, you understand it is coming. Then only all these. Otherwise, what is the point in talking about Visheshana Bhava? It has nothing to do. Vishishta Abhava is there. So Hetu is not there. Why? Because Rupatva is not there. Tad Vishishta Sparshavattvasyapi Tathatva. Tathatva means tathatvena. Tathatvena is there in your reading? Tathatvena means abhava. Abhavatvena. Tatha. Vayau रूपस्य अभाव. Therefore विशिष्ट स्पर्शवत्वस्यापि तथात्वेन अभावत्वेन तस्य स्वरूपा सिद्धत्वं निर्वहति. So therefore its स्वरूपा सिद्धत्वं is there. So there is some other reading we will see next time. The last part is visheshana abhave vishishtasya abhi abhavat. Visheshana abhava is there, then vishishta abhava will be there. It will be called visheshana abhava prayukta vishishta abhava. So this is the third one. Visheshana siddha. Vishesha siddha will be, what is the abhava? What abhava will be there? Vishesha abhava prayukta vishishta abhava will be called fourth one. Okay. Here we will stop. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutravashya-kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.